TCI's journey started as a one-man, one truck, one office way back in 1958. Today, TCI is India's leading integrated supply chain and express solutions provider with a global presence. Over the last 5 decades, TCI has garnered the reputation of one of the most trusted logistics solutions providers. TCI's prime focus has and always will be putting customer satisfaction and delight first.
TCI stands for total commitment of India towards its customer. We believe that customer comes first and then anything else.
With its customer-centric approach, world-class resources, state-of-the-art technology and professional management, the group follows strong corporate governance and is committed to value creation for its stakeholders.
Since the company started 50 years ago, I think the whole essence has been on nation building. We have a large family of employees, shareholders, stakeholders, and I think that is realization of that dream.
TCI abides by its value system that guides its business work ethics and beliefs, which is defined by acronym CORE.
Customer focus, ownership, responsiveness and empathy. These are the fundamental values which drive our company.
TCI remains committed to work on knowledge-based initiatives that will further the cause of the sector in India. We firmly believe in thought leadership and continuously seek solutions for stakeholders. TCI is also a part of the World Economic Forum's community of Global Growth Companies, or GGC. No wonder Harvard has included TCI as one of its case studies. Information technology is the organization's backbone, which has enabled us to service our customers more efficiently. Delivering quality is not an act, it's a habit. This has won us many awards and accolades from the industry. Its strength lies in providing single-window customized solutions through various business divisions. These include TCI Freight, TCI XPS, TCI Supply Chain Solutions, TCI Global, TCI Seaways. TCI Freight offers multimodal transport solutions for cargo of any dimension. TCI Freight provides a complete solution right from the FTL or full truckload to LTL or less than truckload to small packages, over-dimensional and rail cargo. TCI Freight has catered to a varied list of clients that spreads across sectors. TCI XPS is India's leading door-to-door express distribution specialist. TCI XPS has created expansions, and these include Surface Express Service, Air Express Service, International Express Service, E-commerce and in-city distribution express service, Priority Express Service and Reverse Express Service. TCI XPS delivers shipments within a time frame of 24 to 48 hours with a